In our fast-paced digital age, attention has become more precious than ever. Imagine interacting with your phone over 2,600 times a day. Each notification, each scroll, vying for your focus. Today, we embark on a journey that bridges ancient wisdom with modern neuroscience. Together, we'll explore time-tested mindfulness techniques validated by research from top institutions like Harvard and Stanford. Get ready to learn how to reclaim your focus, reduce stress, and cultivate a purposeful, fulfilling life. Let's dive in and discover how these practices can help you cut through the digital noise and find your inner peace. Number 1. The attention economy and your brain. Our brains, as remarkable as they are, were never designed for the constant barrage of information we face every day. Every notification, email, or social media update triggers a dopamine response, the same reward hormone involved in addiction. This creates a cycle of constant craving that leaves us mentally unsettled. Ancient Buddhist monks referred to this inner chatter as the monkey mind, describing the endless jumping from thought to thought. Today, modern neuroscience connects this with the default mode network, or DMN, which is active when our minds wander. While the DMN can foster creativity and introspection, overactivity leads to distraction, increased stress, and diminished productivity. Research shows that after a distraction, it takes an average of 23 minutes to regain full focus. To counteract this, mindfulness practices can calm the monkey mind and help us reclaim our mental clarity. Consider these practical tips. Tip 1. Mindful breathing. Take short, mindful breaks to center your attention on your breath. Tip 2. Single tasking. Focus on one task at a time, giving it your full attention before moving on. Tip 3. Technology-free zones. Set aside times and spaces free of digital interruptions to let your mind recharge. Tip 4. Mindfulness meditation. Dedicate a few minutes each day to formal meditation to train your mind to remain present. Number 2. The breath anchor technique. Next, we explore the breath anchor technique, a 2,500-year-old Buddhist practice that means mindfulness of breathing. This ancient technique, now supported by modern research, can even change the structure of your brain by increasing gray matter in areas tied to attention, learning, and memory. Start by finding a comfortable seated posture with your spine straight yet relaxed, promoting alertness and ease. Focus on the sensation of your breath. Feel the cool air as it enters your nostrils and the gentle rise and fall of your chest. And when your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Begin with just 5 minutes a day and gradually increase the time. Remember, the goal isn't to stop your thoughts, but to recognize and redirect them, much like exercising your mental muscles. Number 3. The stop method for instant refocusing. Sometimes you need a quick reset in the midst of chaos. Enter the stop method, a seamless blend of ancient Zen principles and modern cognitive strategies designed for instant refocusing. S stands for stop. This means you immediately pause whatever you're doing. In the midst of chaos or distraction, hitting the pause button interrupts the automatic reaction. It gives you a moment to break free from the current cycle of stress and regain control over your thoughts. T stands for take a breath. After stopping, you take a deep, intentional breath. This simple act anchors you in the present, calming your nervous system and clearing your mind. It's a physical cue that signals your body and brain to shift from a state of reactivity to one of calm awareness. O stands for observe. With the pause and the breath, you now observe. This means noticing your thoughts, feelings, and physical sensations without judgment. It's about stepping back and recognizing what's happening inside you, which helps you understand your emotional and mental state without getting overwhelmed by it. P stands for proceed with awareness. Finally, you resume your activity, but now with a renewed focus and mindfulness. By proceeding with awareness, you carry the calm and clarity from your pause into your actions, making more thoughtful decisions and enhancing your overall performance. Number 4. Digital minimalism, the modern monastery. Transitioning from ancient mindfulness to modern life, digital minimalism helps you create an environment that supports focus. Think of it as crafting your personal monastery amid digital chaos. Start by organizing both your physical and digital spaces to promote concentration. Designate specific times for checking emails or messages and establish clear boundaries between work and relaxation. Removing unnecessary notifications and apps can create the calm and order you need. This approach echoes ancient contemplative practices and has been shown to boost deep work capacity by almost 40%, leading to higher job satisfaction. Number 5. Mindful task transitions. Our final technique tackles the modern challenge of task switching fatigue. Between major tasks, pause to take 3 conscious breaths, set a clear intention for what comes next, and visualize success. Inspired by Tibetan transition meditations, this simple practice helps reset your mental state, preventing the residual thoughts from previous tasks from sabotaging your focus. Research from Microsoft shows that these structured micro-breaks can reduce digital distraction by 43% and significantly improve task completion rates. In today's attention-hostile world, these mindfulness techniques aren't just ancient philosophies. They're practical tools for a better, more focused life. Even dedicating a mere 5 minutes a day to mindful breathing can create measurable changes in your brain. The masters of attention achieved their clarity through consistent practice, and so can you. Reclaiming your focus isn't merely about productivity, it's about reclaiming the full, rich experience of being alive. As the Zen saying reminds us, when walking, walk. When eating, eat. So, which technique will you try first? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more insights grounded in evidence-based wisdom for modern life.